First of all, I would like to thank the principal, Bagwi. You know, we call in Khasi language as for the ladies, Bagwi. Auxilium, Vice Principal, who also had the wonderful gesture of inviting me the other day in the palace. To all the teachers, to Ma'am Valeria, to Joint Director, Tribal Welfare, who looks like a student herself, to the Inspector of Schools, Mr. Samanthati, to all the teachers, to especially all of you students. How are you doing today? How are you? Are you fine? Yes, sir? I just want to tell you one thing. You know, before I came here into this dais, I have many things to tell you. But then, when I look at your energy, when I look at your beautiful faces, all of you are so pretty. All I want to tell you is that the future, the present and the future is for the women of our state and not anybody else. You, my girls, are the future of our state. And if many people will say, girls can't do this, somebody will say, behave like a girl. But the truth is, that if Tripura has to progress, if India has to progress, then it cannot progress without all of the girls of this country, of this state, of our people. The system has always told us that the girls should behave differently and the boys should behave differently. The freedom has always been given to the men, and in our country and different parts of the world, in the subcontinent, the girls have been told to stay at home. But tell me, how can a country, how can a society progress without the participation of the girls, of the women? Can it progress? No, no. So if it has to progress, we need education. We need to change our thinking. We need to change our mindset. And here, I must congratulate the entire staff, the teachers, the administration of Auxilium for making you feel that you are not less than anybody. I would like to thank the teachers. I would like to thank the parents, and I would like to thank especially the administration for making our girls feel special. Madam Valeria spoke about Malala, Anne Frank. There are many role models for women. But do you know who is your biggest role model? You know what is your biggest strength? It is the belief in yourself. Learn to believe in yourself. Learn to trust yourself. Learn to back yourself. Today, you welcome me as a king. Who am I? I'm no one. I get my energy, I get my strength from the people of my state. I get my energy from the villages of my state. I get the energy from someone who's sitting in Ambasa or Kanchanpur to Sabru to Julaibari to Bogor. I get my power from you. So who I am today cannot be ignored because that power, that love is what inspires me to go ahead every day. So the same thing comes to you. You have the energy and the power because you have the self-confidence. Learn to believe in yourself, learn to trust yourself. Today's program, and I thank Sister for inviting me for this program. It's called Auxilium. What is ignite? Ignite is to ignite the spirit from inside, to ignite the confidence in you. And today you can show your talent. Somebody is singing, somebody is playing a musical instrument, somebody is dancing, somebody is showing the karate skills, somebody will show their exhibition skills below. I myself, when I was in school, we used to have something in St. Edmunds, Shillong, called Creation Week, similar to this. And I learned how to act. I learned how to do mimicry. I learned how to play my guitar. I learned how to do drama. We learned how to do quiz. I learned it there. And I still think that today, much of my communication level comes from the fact that when I was in class 5, when I was in class 6, I would stand up here like these 3 young girls and I would do exactly what they did. I was no Maharaja or no king or no royal family. I was in front of everyone like you all and I used to go there and entertain. And that gave me confidence. And today, when Bubagra or Maharaja, whatever you call me, speaks in front of thousands and thousands of people, I got that confidence when I was in a similar program in my school in class 6, class 7, making everyone hear what I have to say. So, this is very important. Today, I can speak in front of many people, in front of lakhs of people. But my first training happened in a program like this. Sister, I would encourage you for the girls to come up with more skills, maybe quiz, maybe personal performances. Give them the confidence, give them the platform. Because when we give our girls the platform in school, they actually take it further. That confidence can happen when the school believes in its schools. So I would urge you, maybe next year, have another, when you have a similar program, have individual performances first. Do you agree? Huh? You know, when I was in class 7, 8, I played a role of, in class 6, I was a girl. In class 8, I played a normal young person in a theatre. And by class 10, I was doing mimicry in front of 1,000 students. I was told to come on stage. I had no lines. You know that you see so many people, your mind goes blank, you don't know what to do. So everybody said, say something, say something. So I didn't know what to say. So quickly I improvised and I said, where is he taking out the voice? Because I had nothing to do, so quickly I got how to make my people laugh. And then I said, it's school में मुझे चांस मिला है इसलिए मैं Now today I can do Amitabh Bachchan, I can do Rahul Gandhi, I can do Modi, I can do everyone. Right? Then he gave me the guitar. And I still remember the first song I ever played. You know what was the song? Do you know? It was Imagine by John Lennon. The same song you all played here today. And today when I am in politics and I speak about some issues, many people in the newspaper they say, अरे ये तो सपना देख रहा है, कभी नहीं होगा. He's dreaming. But then that word, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Song in John Lennon, Imagine. That word, it is important to dream. It is important to believe in yourself. And it's important to also have focus in life. You, my young girls, are the future of our state. You, young girls, are some. I want you all to be successful in life. I want you to be happy. And how can you be happy? When you don't forget how to smile. You have to enjoy your youth. So many people will come and say, no, you have to behave like this. No, you have to this. Believe me, you have to first enjoy to love the things that you want to do. Whether it is singing, dancing, martial arts, education, school, anything. First learn to enjoy. First learn to be happy. Because if you find happiness, you will find a better life ahead. Learn to be happy. Don't come under pressure of anyone else to do something that you don't want to do. I also want to say something to the teachers here. My biggest desire, I see Father here as well. How are you, Father? My biggest desire in my life was to empower the teachers, because my school teacher, Brother D'Souza, who also taught Narwkha, by the way, he is now not well, he's become very old. But my school teacher made me realize that I may be the son of a king, but in a classroom, you are one of the students. He taught me how to be humble. I was in school 30 years ago, 25 years ago, but what he taught me today makes me remain humble and remain grounded. So to the teachers, sometimes you do not realize how you touch lives. Sometimes teachers don't realize the impact you make. Like my Brother D'Souza, who taught me how to remain humble, and I still remember him here. I don't have any speech prepared. When I saw you, Father, I remember Brother D'Souza. There was another teacher who would come to the school and say, open your books. Now read that page and then table. In that subject, I never passed. Not because the subject was bad, because the teacher looked bored. So much as the students have to enjoy their school, their environment, their education, it's extremely important. And I know that teachers have a very difficult job. But you have to forget what happened in the kitchen or in the breakfast table. When you come to school, like my chemistry sir, please do not bring your problems from the home to the school and to the classroom, because directly or indirectly you affect the students, and once the students are no longer interested, it shows in their marks and grades. I know it's a very difficult job to switch off what is happening at home and come to class, but then teachers are a special race. Teachers are a special group of people. And if teaching is a passion, then that passion does not show in your salary, it shows on the success of your student. But if teaching is a job, it ends with the month and you getting a stipend. Understand? To the principal, Tom, I met you for the first time the other day in the palace, and I saw lovely energy in you. I don't know where the vice principal is, from Sujan College, where she is. When both of you all came that day to the palace, I saw lovely energy. I was not sure if I should come to this program. Yesterday I had meetings till 3 o'clock in the morning. I did not have dinner. I slept around 3:30. I woke up at 7:30. The first thing I said, I have to look fresh, because when they came to me, they were so happy and fresh. I have to do the same. I have come here because your approach to me was honest. You are a very honest, simple, you came to me very as an honest person. And in my line of politics, I don't see honest people every day. So when I see good, clean, honest ladies who are principal, I came here not as a king, but as a brother to you. And I'm very happy that I did so. Thank you, Anthony, for getting me here. In the end, sometimes you can impress people not with your marks or your qualification or your looks, but by your sincerity and your honesty. I thank the Auxilium school for having invited me. I thank the teachers, I thank the administration, I thank the guests of honor, all of them, ma'am, the joint director, Mrs. Narwkha, I thank all of you, and more importantly, to all the young girls, I would like to say, don't give up, rise, believe in yourself, we love you. The Bubagra loves you, and the Bubagra wants you. The Bubagra wants you to become stronger, taller, and bigger, and the Bubagra wants you to succeed. But more importantly, the Bubagra wants you to be happy. Belai Belai Mahambai, thank you, Guru Maharaj.